Okay, now talking about stitches. Alright, okay, let me get something. Let me just grab something from the back. Okay, so when we talk about stitches, fundamentally in cross stitch, you use two types of stitches repeatedly. One is your cross stitch, which is your cross stitch, and then you have your back stitch, which is mostly used for outlining. And in cross stitch, especially, adding an outline makes a big difference after you've created your entire pattern. It really pops your art much more. So yeah, these are two fundamental stitches just to show you. So the base here, these are basically the crosses. The entire body of it is a crosses, and the outlines that you see in black is basically the back stitch. So these are the two fundamental core stitches that you absolutely need to know. But of course you can use other embroidery stitches also. Like I often use French knots for eyes, and you could explore a lot of other embroidery stitches too as part of your cross stitch thing. But to start with, these are the only stitches that you need to know, and they are pretty simple. So let's just see how to make these stitches.